Hello children, do you know what are the advantages of using Python programming language? No? So let me tell you the same. Python programming language is just similar to our plain English language. So as a beginner you can easily learn it compared to any other programming languages. Python has a rich set of libraries which make your code very simple. Within less number of code lines you can accomplish more. So that's why you can save your time in this case. Python is free to use. That means you need not to spend a single penny to use it. It is license free and from students to professionals anybody can use it for free. Python is cross-platform friendly. That means you are using any type of system, whether your system is having Windows, Mac OS or Linux. You can easily use Python programming language in your system without any modification. Python has one of the largest and the most active community of developers. So if you are stuck over something while developing your program or anything, you will find people to help you. Python has a wide range of applications, like it can be used for medical diagnosis, developing different types of medicines and antibiotic, in the field of artificial intelligence, for business development, in the field of research, web development, software development and many more. So I hope now you can understand that Python is a type of programming language which is used in each and every field, and it is very simple as well as powerful. So start learning Python from today. My little Python wizards. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel to get more videos like this, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, sayonara.